Auto Reviews is the year 2026 marks a new chapter in aerial dominance with the introduction of the F-47 stealth fighter jet, a masterpiece of American engineering designed to push the boundaries of speed, stealth and technology. This aircraft stands as a symbol of precision, power and innovation. Conceived for the United States Air Force, the F-47 is not just another fighter, it is the future of air combat, built from the ground up with advanced composite materials, radar-absorbing surfaces and an aerodynamic design that defies conventional limits. It slices through the sky with elegance and fury. The nose of the jet, shaped with laser precision, houses next-generation sensors that can detect enemy aircraft long before they even appear on radar systems. The front intake channels air to its powerful twin fusion-powered engines that generate unmatched thrust and speed, exceeding Mach 3 in high-altitude flight. From its white titanium body that reflects sunlight beautifully to its sharp delta wings optimized for agility, every inch of this fighter has been crafted for both performance and beauty. Pilots describe the cockpit as a digital fortress packed with holographic displays, 3D mapping and AI-assisted targeting systems that respond instantly to the pilot's command with an immersive glass canopy that gives a panoramic view of the sky. The F-47 provides an unmatched flying experience. Deep within its systems lies an artificial intelligence core named Sentinel, designed to process data from hundreds of sensors and provide real-time tactical analysis, allowing the pilot to make split-second decisions. The stealth coating is a multi-layer nanomaterial capable of bending radar waves, rendering the jet virtually invisible to enemy detection. Radar operators call it the ghost of the sky. During combat simulations, the F-47 demonstrated its ability to evade all forms of radar tracking while maintaining full communication with ground control. This is a level of stealth that even the most advanced adversaries cannot penetrate. The fuselage design features a perfect balance of aerodynamics and structural integrity, reducing drag while enhancing fuel efficiency. The side profile reveals smooth curves leading to twin vertical stabilizers angled for both radar deflection and stability in supersonic maneuvers. Beneath its wings, the aircraft carries an array of next-gen weaponry, including hypersonic missiles, precision bombs and electromagnetic pulse devices, all integrated seamlessly into its internal weapons bay to maintain stealth. The weapon deployment system operates silently, opening and closing in less than a second. The interior of the cockpit feels like stepping into the future. The pilot's seat is made from adaptive memory materials, adjusting automatically for comfort during high-G flight. The controls respond not only to touch but also to voice and even eye movement, giving pilots complete hands-free operation when needed. The HUD displays tactical data in augmented reality, allowing for 360-degree situational awareness. The AI co-pilot assists in flight path optimization, threat analysis and energy management, reducing pilot workload by over 50%. Engineers at Lockheed Aerodyne, the company behind this marvel, emphasize that the F-47 is not merely an aircraft, it is a networked weapon platform capable of controlling drones, satellites and even ground assets through secure quantum communication channels. This integration creates what military strategists call a combat web, a digital battlefield environment where every element operates in perfect harmony. The jet's wings are embedded with micro-turbine edge sensors that adapt to airflow in real time, reducing turbulence and maintaining stability in even the roughest atmospheric conditions. Its landing gear retracts into the fuselage seamlessly, maintaining the aircraft's sleek stealth profile on takeoff. The engines emit a low-frequency hum barely detectable to the human ear, yet producing enough power to lift the 40-ton aircraft effortlessly into the clouds. When airborne, the F-47 transitions into stealth mode, its external lights dimming automatically as its systems synchronize with onboard sensors to maintain invisibility against radar, infrared and optical detection. From a distance, it appears as nothing more than a faint shimmer against the sky. During tests over Nevada, the aircraft broke multiple speed and altitude records, surpassing expectations by reaching over 90,000 feet and performing controlled maneuvers at near space altitudes. The onboard AI adjusted wing angles automatically, ensuring perfect control even in the thin upper atmosphere. Inside the cockpit, pilots describe the sensation as flying inside a thought, where every movement and decision is instantly executed by the machine without lag or resistance. This seamless fusion of man and machine represents the pinnacle of human innovation. As the sun reflects off its white metallic surface, the F-47 becomes a spectacle of futuristic design, blending art and science in perfect proportion. The USA flag painted on its tail fin waves proudly in the wind, a reminder that this marvel belongs to the skies of America. From the deserts of Arizona to the coasts of California, test flights continue, proving that the F-47 is ready to dominate any battlefield in the air or beyond. Engineers predict its deployment by late 2026 as part of the U.S. Air Force's next-generation fighter program, replacing older models and introducing an era where stealth and speed coexist without compromise. With advanced countermeasures, electronic warfare suites and adaptive camouflage systems, the F-47 can outsmart any missile or radar system known today, whether operating solo or in formation with unmanned wingmen. This aircraft adapts intelligently to every mission profile, capable of reconnaissance, interception, and long-range strike. The F-47 is built not just to fight but to win and survive every mission, no matter the odds. As development progresses, pilots across the world are watching in awe, realizing that the sky will never be the same again when this fighter takes to the air, its whispering engines cutting through clouds, its sensors scanning horizons, and its AI calculating thousands of scenarios per second to ensure dominance. This is the definition of tomorrow's air superiority, built by those who dream beyond limits and execute with precision. The United States has once again proven that innovation and determination can craft machines that redefine possibility. As the story of the F-47 continues, the world stands witness to a revolution in aerospace technology. The jet's seamless blend of stealth, intelligence, and lethal precision defines the very core of America's air superiority doctrine. With each flight test, new boundaries are shattered and new records set. The engineers behind its creation reveal that every inch of the aircraft was sculpted using quantum design algorithms, predicting stress, flow, and aerodynamics down to a molecular level. This technology ensures that the F-47 not only performs perfectly under pressure but evolves with it. Its AI system continuously learns from every flight, analyzing millions of data points to improve future missions automatically. This self-learning capability gives the jet an almost sentient awareness of its surroundings. During one classified trial, the F-47 successfully intercepted a hypersonic target traveling at over Mach 6, demonstrating its unmatched speed, agility, and computing power. The aircraft's advanced sensor suite, named Horizon Eye, integrates satellite feeds, radar imaging, and infrared detection into a single panoramic system, giving the pilot omniscient awareness across hundreds of miles of sky. Even in electronic warfare zones where GPS and communications are jammed, the F-47 remains fully operational, using quantum encryption to maintain contact with command units. This makes it nearly impossible to hack or disrupt its systems. Pilots describe this jet as having a soul, one that responds instantly to human intent rather than commands. The engines are powered by hybrid plasma fusion turbines, combining the reliability of jet propulsion with the raw output of fusion energy, allowing near infinite endurance and minimal thermal signature during stealth missions. The thermal cloak system manages heat distribution across the fuselage, making the jet invisible to infrared sensors from the ground. Even at full thrust, the F-47 can remain undetected while traveling faster than the speed of sound. Its energy efficiency and cooling technology are decades ahead of any rival nation's air fleet. The cockpit interior reflects futuristic American design, with sleek black panels, holographic light blue interfaces, and smooth metallic textures. The pilot sits in a bubble of data where flight parameters, mission details, and AI analytics float around in augmented reality. It feels less like flying a plane and more like commanding a living entity. The AI assistant can predict the pilot's next move by reading micro-muscle signals from the pilot's hands and eyes, adjusting controls milliseconds in advance. This intuitive connection between man and machine transforms the F-47 into an extension of the pilot's body. When switching to combat mode, the jet's internal bays open silently, revealing next-generation hypersonic missiles equipped with adaptive warheads capable of changing trajectory mid-flight, guided by AI swarm intelligence. These weapons can communicate with each other in real time to avoid redundancy and maximize damage efficiency. If one missile is intercepted, another recalculates instantly, ensuring target destruction even against the most advanced defense systems. This coordination has redefined modern warfare, making the F-47 not just a fighter but a command center in the sky below the fuselage. An electromagnetic railgun prototype has been tested, capable of launching projectiles at speeds exceeding Mach 10 with zero recoil or flash. This gives the fighter an edge in direct energy warfare scenarios. Engineers emphasize that despite its lethal potential, the F-47 was designed for peace, deterrence, and defense. Its presence alone is enough to shift the balance of power and maintain stability across global airspace. In a demonstration over the Pacific, the jet performed a vertical climb from sea level to 100,000 feet in under 70 seconds, disappearing into the stratosphere like a white comet against the blue sky. Observers on the ground described the sound as a soft roar fading into silence, followed by awe. The American flag painted across its wings shimmered in sunlight as it turned gracefully above the clouds, symbolizing freedom and strength. The onboard data core stores terabytes of information from each flight, allowing engineers to study and perfect every parameter. The jet's white exterior isn't just aesthetic, it's functional. The reflective coating reduces heat absorption and doubles as a radar scatter layer. Each panel of the body is embedded with microsensors that monitor temperature, structural stress, and aerodynamic balance in real time, feeding data data to both the pilot and AI core. The landing and takeoff sequence is fully automated using precision lidar and magnetic guidance systems that can navigate even in zero visibility conditions. At night the jet glows faintly under its own ambient blue lights, creating a sight both eerie and magnificent across American skies. The F-47 represents decades of research and billions of dollars invested in ensuring air superiority for generations to come. In combat scenarios, the aircraft uses predictive modeling to outmaneuver opponents, calculating multiple enemy trajectories simultaneously and countering them before they even attack. This gives it an almost supernatural edge. Pilots have reported feeling completely invincible within its systems, as though the jet itself refuses to fail. The combination of speed, stealth and awareness makes it the deadliest fighter on the planet, yet despite its overwhelming capability it remains graceful, elegant and silent, a ghost in the sky and a guardian of freedom. In the final testing phase, the F-47 was flown across multiple continents under extreme conditions, from freezing Arctic winds to desert storms, never once losing stability or control. The AI adjusted aerodynamics and power output seamlessly, adapting to every challenge without pilot interference. The future will see fleets of these white-winged sentinels patrolling the edges of the world, guarding the skies with precision and silence. Military experts call it the dawn of the autonomous era, where machines think, fight and protect with human-level intuition, but under strict ethical frameworks programmed by their creators. The name F-47 has already become a legend among aviation enthusiasts and defense analysts, a whisper of unstoppable power crafted under the banner of stars and stripes. When the sun sets and the sky turns gold, the silhouette of the F-47 soaring above the horizon reminds everyone that the United States continues to lead the world in innovation, courage and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It is not merely a jet, it is a symbol of progress, a promise of safety and a testament to the genius of human engineering and the dream to reach beyond limits. As this aircraft takes its rightful place in the history of flight, the world looks upward, knowing that the future has already arrived. Its engines roar not with destruction but with determination, carrying the message of peace through power across every sky. From coast to coast, the F-47 stands ready to defend, to explore and to inspire a new generation of dreamers, engineers and aviators who will take humanity even further into the stars. The legend of the White Phantom of the Sky has just begun, and its name will echo through history as the ultimate expression of American innovation, strength and pride. Auto Reviews is